Steve, what's up?
SCS, man. We back another day, man. Try to do something before it get hot. Cause I ain't trying to be outside when it's hot again. All day yesterday, damn mistake, man. This heat, this Georgia heat, something different. We place these quarters real quick. I have done a full quarter, but not no quarter sections. That's what I'm about to do. So once I get this car out, I'm gonna take a picture so y'all can see exactly what I'm talking about. All right, man, y'all can see my little quarter. It don't even look like the outer, it's just the inner. I mean, you don't like the inner, it look like just the outer. But I'm about to jack it up so we can actually see what we looking at. Tighten it baby up. All right, let's see what we got. Yeah, it look like just the outer part of the quarter. That's good. So literally, I could just come here, go across, straight down, and cut that out. So, yeah, this to the other side. I see 3 spot wheels down here. And just one at the top. So I'm gonna get my spot wheel cutter. When I got a new belt, because I can't find a spot wheel cutter. Probably don't even have one. All right, so what I'm doing right now is just drilling all the spot wheels, and then I'm gonna come back with a bigger bit and separate the two, where I can cut what I need for that one, and then shape this with can't shape it because the piece is deteriorated, but I can trim as best as I can and come up with something. So cut y'all back on in a second. Alright, so got them separated. Took way more work than I expected, so don't worry how that look. So if you go and get some sheet metal, it'll take more time to do this, make this shape, than to fill these holes. So I'm just bending these back in shape. This one's pretty much done, and I'm gonna go back and weld all but a small hole so I can still bond these two. And then I think I'm gonna go try to find some panel bonds. So I'm gonna put these on both sides. Matter of fact, I think the other side is good. It's just little holes. Yeah, the other side might not have to be cut out, but I want to go get some panel bond before the sun come on this side. That's when I'm going in the garage. Yeah, this side ain't bad, so this side be pretty smooth. Just clean this up, cut that out, put a new spot in from one of them old ones. And I can keep that quarter section for something else, I guess. But yeah, this side definitely had to come apart. So I'm gonna go ahead and change my welding wire, patch both of these up, and then cut this out, tack it on, and then I'll cut y'all on when I'm finally putting it back together. But I'm gonna try to go find some panel bond real quick and some weld through primer. Weld through primer you're supposed to use, but I ain't too much worried about it. Like I said, it's a little cheap car. I'm just trying to have it better than before, and I definitely don't put no fiberglass over no rust holes. That ain't me. But yeah, y'all see, this came from a junkyard car, clean, bro. Came from a Colorado car a long time ago. Let me go ahead and change this welding wire, cut this out, and then tack it in. And I'm wondering why the wire stopped coming out. I had this on the wrong side, so it got to go on the 2.5 side. I just took some 30 wire off, but should pull now. Let's see. Oh yeah, we in there. So let me go ahead, fill these welds up. You know what? I want to do it on the car, so I'm gonna wait. Give me a second. Cut this thing off. Measure the other one up. All right, so it's where the pitting stops. So I'm gonna cut right above that, straight across, down, over in this area. This is where the pitting stops. And yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. Cut it out, match that with the old one right here. Cut this to size, tack this on. Do a little test fit on this. Got the replacement piece. It lined up pretty alright. I'm gonna have to tack the bottom end first, then force the top on to it. But y'all can see that line up with that line, line up with that line. And then I gotta push this piece over. But y'all finna see it in a second, man. The other side pretty easy. Just cut that section out, put another piece in. I got all that scrap over here, and I got a big section of scrap right there, so I can just use that to fill that in. I don't think I have any more rust holes besides the holes I drilled out in the trunk I showed y'all a long time ago. All right, other side. I need to get me a small cutoff wheel so I don't have to be doing this like that. But this is not something I offer as a service no time soon at the moment. It's take too much time for me to do it. I'm no pro, but I can do it. So just cut that square out. It's the smallest square I could cut, rectangle. Cut this out on a little piece of scrap. Get these snips, and this will be the last of the fabricating. Attack the bottom. So I made it very, very tight, but it does go in all the way, like y'all just seen. So, you know what? I'm just loosen it up a little bit. That should be all I need. Well, never mind. It had another plan for me, so fit perfect now. Grind that out.